Welcome to the future workplace. In 2023, employees have high expectations from their employers. Let's dive into the top expectations from employees in the near future. First and foremost, employees demand flexible work options. Gone are the days of strict 9-to-5 schedules. They want the freedom to choose when and where they work. Additionally, work-life balance takes priority. Employees expect employers to respect their personal time and provide opportunities for relaxation and self-care. Continuing professional development is also key. Employees want to constantly learn and grow in their careers. They expect employers to invest in their growth through training programs and workshops. Next, employees value a positive and inclusive work culture. They want to work in an environment that celebrates diversity, fosters collaboration, and promotes a sense of belonging. Moreover, employees expect employers to prioritize mental health and well-being. They want access to mental health support, yoga classes, meditation rooms, and stress-reducing initiatives. Lastly, employees demand competitive compensation and benefits. They expect fair wages, meaningful bonuses, healthcare coverage, and ample opportunities for advancement. To summarize, the future workplace is all about flexibility, work-life balance, continuous learning, inclusive culture, mental well-being, and rewarding compensation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the evolving world of work.